egg float in water?
In this simple science experiment, we take just a few minutes to test the laws of density and discover just how easy it is to make an egg float. Supplies needed. First, 2 eggs. Next, 2 tall drinking glasses. Next, salt. And lastly, but most importantly, water.
Start to make some observations about the eggs.
Note that they are both raw eggs and are similar size and weight. Then, ask some questions.
Do you think that the eggs will sink or float when placed in water?
Do you think it's possible to make them float?
The answer is yes.
And we'll show you how. Step 1. Fill a tall drinking glass about 3/4 full of water. And carefully place the egg into the cup. Notice how it sinks to the bottom.
Step 2. Fill another tall drinking glass about 3/4 of the way with water.
Step 3. Add 3 tablespoons of salt and stir until it's completely combined.
Next, carefully place the second egg into the glass with the salt water. As you can see, the egg floats.
Now for a scientific explanation. Why does the egg sink in the regular tap water but float in the salt water? The answer lies in the density of water.
Density is a measure of the mass per unit volume of a substance.
Water has a density of 1 gram per milliliter, so objects will float in water if their density is less than 1 gram per milliliter.
That means objects will also sink in water if their density is greater than 1 gram per milliliter.
So, the egg will sink in regular tap water because the density of the egg is slightly greater than the density of the water, by about 0.3. But when you add salt to the water, you're increasing the density of the water by adding more mass in the given volume, so the egg floats.
So now you know that an egg can in fact float in water.
And how a simple science experiment can teach you a little bit about density.